let's try contemporizing the cuisine. Now here is a batter of dosa. Now dosa is a very popular dish. Mostly in Kerala it's presented or made in the breakfast time as a breakfast dish. Normally they have it with chutneys or sambar. But what I did is I wanted to put in some of my own ideas, simply because when I was in Britannia in the west of France, I really relished their crepes. Now their crepes are sweet and savoury, and I thought, why not reproduce by putting in our own ideas into it. Here is a batter that's made out of black dal, black grams and rice. 2:1, that's the proportion. It's soaked overnight and then blended. I bought mine from the shops. This is the mixture. So here it is, warm pan. We can feel the pan. Just pour it in. So now this is almost cooked. All we do is scrape it off and turn it over. There it is. This is a traditional Kerala Pappadam or wafer. All we do is fry it. This is available in the market. Just buy it and use it. So here's the warm oil and here it goes. You know, the best thing about contemporizing a cuisine is that you can actually own it. You can mold it to your own taste buds, or you can mold it to your family's needs. I have twin boys. Now they both like this, but in different flavors. One likes it salty, the other likes it sweet. My twins are Arya and Surya. Arya likes to put in some masala, some spicy stuff on it. So what he would want me to do is put some sort of a chutney on it, which is salty and peppery in a way. So I'd probably put a paste that would allure him to have this. But Surya likes it sweet. What I would do now is put honey into it. So here it is. We have honey, the purest form of sweet nectar. Here it is. And just drip it around, drill it around. Add as much or as little as you want, depending on the amount of calories you have burnt or you will be burning. So count your calories if you want to, but once in a while, give yourself a blast, a bonus. Then here is the papadam. We just crush it slightly so that it's into smaller pieces and sprinkle on it. I think it's a bit too much, too big. I'm going to put another one, crush it more. Now all I am going to do is fold it. So we can then eat with our spoons, forks and knives. If you want to keep it stable, put in some toothpicks so that the roll sustains its shape. And yes, our crepe is ready to enjoy. Here it is. Drill in some more. Happy eating!